wash, clean, hot pan, oil, hot kitchen. No. I'm talking. Okay, really hot oil. Let's go, girl. What are you waiting on? Too slow. Cook. There you go. Hot oil, vegetables. She says it's very simple. Just cook it. Hot oil. Whatever your favorite oil is. Hot pan. Stir it up. Good. Serious business. So what are you going to add to it, dear? Alright, well, step one. Maybe cover it. Let it wilt. Okay, maybe 2 minutes later. Wilted down. Soft. Delicious ching chai. Just that looks pretty good. So what about salt and pepper and all that stuff? Okay. Salt. Not that much.
Not much, yeah.
Pepper. Fine ground black pepper. Not too much water.
That's so
Cover
bad.
it one more time. Less than a minute later, should be softened. Some of the larger pieces, they took a little longer to cook. Fire's off. Separating some of the water, it looks like. And into the bowl.
See, like cooking green, so green.
Very, very
And when
green.
you cover a long time, they will go yellow, older.
So don't cover it too long or it's going to go yellow. Don't do that.
Yeah, keep it clean, green. It's good. That is cooking.
Good job, girl. Thank you.
You're welcome, honey.